How to become a millionaire. 7. Start generating passive income. Get rich by producing income outside of your job. Your 9-to-5 job will not make you rich. You need multiple streams of income. Your job produces active income. This is income that you are working for, continually investing time and energy for. The paycheck that you receive based on being actively involved in an endeavor is called active income. Active income comes from and has limits because it requires your presence and activity. Passive income comes from businesses that you are not actively involved in on a day-to-day basis. Rental income and limited partnerships are examples of passive income. Also, making money online through YouTube, blogging, selling products, marketing, or influencing. You invest time and energy in the beginning to receive checks for years to come in the future. Passive income produces a perpetual residual income stream.